I love my job. We get to help organizations that help the world. That's as close to altruism as we get to be in banking.
I love covering startup companies. The energy, the problems that they're solving, it's exciting.
Never would I have imagined stepping out of college that I could share a table with a CEO, a CFO. That's invigorating. Middle market banking is focused on banking relationships of companies that are $20 to $500 million in revenue size, and we focus on providing them the best-in-class cash management, credit, and banking solutions.
So our business is broken into two different types of banker coverage. We have core, which is diversified, which covers a broad range of clients and industries. So the combination of working with all different types of businesses, assessing risk for different industries, it's a new challenge every time you start to work with a new type of business or a new type of industry, and that's exciting.
At Specialized Industries, we are considered subject matter experts. What does that mean? That means we're basically living and breathing the industry day in, day out in terms of monitoring industry insights and trends, attending industry conferences, making sure that we're keeping up with the times in terms of business models, how they're shifting every day.
Middle market companies are so charming because the majority of the time you're talking directly to the founder, the CEO, the CFO, the decision makers at the top that are so invested in their own companies and so invested in the partnership that you can provide them. You can be that strategic thinker really at the table driving business forward.
I work in the healthcare, higher ed, nonprofit, specialized industry group, which means we eat, breathe, and sleep the vernacular. We become ubiquitous with their needs. We are pillars of their community, and our job is to help be consultative and improve their experience so they can focus on their critical missions.
I work with startup companies. I help founders begin to lay the foundation of their banking infrastructure for their companies such that they can scale and grow and become the next billion-dollar consumer products company out there. I am watching a founder, they're giving birth in real time to their baby, their company. So I get to be kind of a corporate midwife.
I am an underwriter on the life sciences team. It really married my passion for wanting to become a doctor and my finance background.
I work in media and entertainment. My father was a mariachi player, and now fast forward to be in New York City, a media and entertainment banker in the music world. I couldn't have scripted this.
You not only fully immerse yourself in an industry, you learn what's going on in the credit markets and what's going on in the rate environment and what's going on in general banking.
We are constantly involved on really high-level strategic needs, complex opportunities. You will be working closely with your investment bank, with the private bank. You get a tremendous amount of exposure across the firm.
The internship was phenomenal. There is so much structure, there is so much room for even someone as junior as me to raise my hand and start contributing immediately.
I really worked with banking and credit and treasury, learned the ropes of all three, so really got to broadly touch everything as an intern. Coming back as a full-time analyst, you're required to do 3 different rotations.
You can try so many different disciplines and expertise and really start understanding what makes you tick.
Middle market banking is a great place to start a career. As a junior member, you're actively involved on the deal team. You're working on client presentations and term sheets and pitch material, so it's really hands-on, even at the earliest days.
You can really experience the full life cycle of an organization. That can be from inception, pre-revenue, all the way through an IPO.
Everyone really wants you to learn and develop and grow.
It's supportive, it's downright familial, and senior people are very willing to help you on your journey.
I love working with junior talent. They have the pulse on the next exciting brands.
My analyst can tell me all about what's the new trends within social media.
You have a voice when you join as a junior person, and it's welcomed.
I absolutely love my job.
It's an amazing place to start your career.
We won the financial lottery.